A good tile cleaner is fast-acting, easy to use, and won't leave any residue. Let's choose good one from this list. Number 1. Most popular. Better Life Natural Tub and Tile Cleaner. Better Life Natural Tub and Tile Cleaner is made from natural ingredients that dissolve mold, mildew, soap scum, hard water stains, and mineral deposits on tile, grout, and almost any other bathroom surface. This 2-pack of 32-ounce plant-based cleaner leaves a fresh scent without the use of synthetic fragrances. It's non-toxic, ensuring safe use for people and pets. The liquid cleaner must be rinsed, and it shouldn't be used on marble or granite tile surfaces. It's safe for ceramic, porcelain, fiberglass, and acrylic tile surfaces. Number 2. Aunt Fanny's Floor Cleaner. Vinegar is an all-purpose cleaner by itself, but this vinegar-based floor cleaner from Aunt Fanny's takes the humble kitchen essential to a whole new level at an affordable price. This cleaner has a vinegar base and also contains plant-based ingredients and essential oils that break down dirt, food, grease, and grime without leaving a sticky residue. Since it's non-toxic, the cleanser is safe for people and pets. Earning an A from the Environmental Working Group, it's not harmful to the environment. Number 3. Bona Hard Surface Floor Cleaner Spray. Bona's Hard Surface Floor Cleaner is formulated and safe for sealed tile, stone, laminate, and other hard surfaces, including ceramic, sealed natural stone, terrazzo, and marble. Its pH-neutral formula dries fast, is residue-free, and is safe for people, pets, and the planet. This liquid cleaner is GreenGuard Gold certified to improve indoor air quality. It's also a rinse-free cleaner that effectively removes dust, dirt, and grime without stickiness or streaks. The water-based cleaner comes ready to use in a 32-ounce bottle. Just spray it on the floor and then mop, no rinsing required. Number 4. Black Diamond Stoneworks Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner. Black Diamond Stoneworks Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner is part of the manufacturer's premium line of natural stone and tile cleaners. Many household cleaners, especially those that are acid-based, can dull or damage natural stone surfaces. This cleaner is designed specifically for natural stone, so it safely lifts dirt, dust, spills, grease, and stains from granite, marble, quartz, and other natural stone surfaces, even brick. The liquid cleaner comes as a 32-ounce biodegradable concentrate. Simply mix 2 to 4 ounces with 1 gallon of water, and then mop. Number 5. Clorox Cleanup Cleaner Spray with Bleach. Bathrooms are humid environments, which makes them a logical place for mold to grow, especially on both tile and grout surfaces. Clorox Cleanup Cleaner Spray is a bleach-based formula that is effective at removing mold, mildew, soap scum, and limescale. It's safe for use on all non-porous surfaces, including tile. The 32-ounce spray bottle features a trigger handle, and the cleaner needs only 30 seconds to dissolve dirt and grime from bathroom surfaces. It also kills up to 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Number 6. Shiner's All-Purpose Cleaner and Floor Cleaner. This pH-neutral all-purpose, multi-surface professional liquid cleaner from Shiner's is suitable for use on a variety of hard surfaces, including marble, granite, vinyl, linoleum, and stained concrete. It eliminates both tough stains. This 1-gallon container is a liquid concentrate. Mix 1 ounce with 1 gallon of water and mop or wipe with no need to rinse. Although it's a professional-grade product, the lavender-scented cleaner is non-toxic. It does not contain dangerous chemicals or abrasive cleaning agents, permitting safe use around people and pets. Number 7. Stonetech Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. This formula from Stonetech is specially made to remove mold and mildew. The potent ingredients kill the spores and leave your floors shining with a fresh scent. It's safe to use on multiple surfaces such as marble, granite, porcelain, and glass tiles. You can also use the product in showers, on countertops, and on exterior surfaces if needed. Even though the formula is powerful, it won't degrade stone floors or grout. When using the product, it's crucial you protect yourself and wear goggles and gloves. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.